Hey friends, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So hello mga friendship. So today I will be talking to you about why I was MIA for the last 2 months, I guess. Yeah, it's been 2 months since I'm gone from YouTube. So before we get started, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and also hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get started. So hello friendships, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be back and yeah, be back on YouTube finally. Why am I MIA? That's what are we going to talk today. So yeah, I think it's pretty obvious already from the title what this video is all about, guys. So you already know what this is going to be. But before we get started, I just wanted to make a quick disclaimer. Okay, so on this video, I wanted to, as much as I can, to speak in English, and because I feel like this topic is a very broad topic, and a lot of, not just big YouTubers, mostly small YouTubers are experiencing this problem or this topic that we're going to be talking right now. So just a disclaimer, and if you don't want me, or if you don't want to listen to me speaking in English, then, and yeah, if you want me to speak in purely Tagalog because you feel like I am not sensible enough, I'm not knowledgeable enough, then maybe you could try searching for another video that will be talking in Tagalog. Yeah, because yeah, I just wanted to reach a lot of people or audiences in every video that I do, especially on this kind of video. So just a quick disclaimer on that. So with that out of our way, so let's get started. So most of you guys may think that I left already YouTube. Maybe I'll just insert a little Tagalog here and there. So iniwan ko kayo. No, I did not. As much as I wanted to post on YouTube, but I cannot, because yun nga, my channel was hacked. Oh my god. You just don't have any idea how devastated I am when I found out that my channel was hacked. I was so, frustrated and devastated, and what else after I realized that my channel was hacked. From what I could remember, I posted my last video last September 26, 2019. Oh no, September 25, 2019, and I just posted the video, and the next morning when I tried to, get onto YouTube and, watch a little video in the morning, because I still have time before going to work, and then I realized that I cannot get into my YouTube account. Oh my god. So that's how I found out. At first I was a little, confused. Why I cannot get into my YouTube account. So I switched to my different account, and I tried to switch back again, and then I tried to maybe there was something wrong with my YouTube app, so I exited back. So I closed my YouTube app, and then I logged in again, and then my the account that I'm using for my YouTube channel is not accessible anymore. And then at that point I still feel like, I did not feel like my channel was still hacked, so I uninstalled my YouTube app, maybe because there are times that your app needs to be uninstalled, or yeah, there are, you need to do those certain things for you to be able to, log in again. There are times that you need to do that. So I did that. I uninstalled and installed and log in again with my account, but to no avail. I still cannot access my YouTube account. So since that day I have work. So when I came home from work, and then I checked my YouTube account again in hopes of, maybe I could access it. But sadly, I cannot access it anymore. And then the next day, September 26, I noticed that my profile picture on my YouTube account was changed into a different picture. So that point, then I realized that my YouTube channel was hacked, guys. Yeah. And right away, I contacted YouTube creator support. So at first, I didn't know how I could fix the problem. I tried to Google it, how to, get access back on my channel, but there's nothing I could find from Google on how so I concluded that my channel was really hacked. So that was so frustrating and devastating and very stressful at the same time. So a lot of people actually was asking me why I wasn't uploading any video, and especially at work, my co-workers been asking me because they just subscribed to my channel and they wanted to see more from my channel, and they keep on asking me, "Oh, ate, why didn't you upload in any videos anymore?" And my answer always is that I'm busy. I don't have any time on uploading any video. But the truth is, sorry friends, sorry that I did not tell you. But the truth is, my YouTube account is hacked or was hacked, and I don't want to talk about it because if I'm going to talk about it, I feel like it adds more stress on me, and I don't want to get stressed more on that because oh my god, it really made me very sad when I found out that my YouTube channel was hacked. Because for me, I really love doing YouTube, I really love doing videos, I really love editing and everything about YouTube. So it was really not a good experience. So sorry guys if I did not tell you the real reason, and now you know. And I also decided that if I would be able to get my YouTube account again, I will be making a video about that, so that you will know why I was MIA here on YouTube. So yeah, that's the reason. Now you know. So at this point, I'm pretty sure that my YouTube channel was hacked. So right away, I started contacting YouTube creator support. So at first, I did not really know how to contact them. So I tried Googling it before I have encountered problems with my YouTube channel. And I remember that I was contacted them through chat support or something. So but I forgot how I did it, so I tried to Google it. Thanks to Google is so handy. Anything you don't know, you just can Google it right away and say, "Hey Google." Yeah. so I did Google what will I do. So I need to go to YouTube. I think it's in the YouTube channel or in my Google browser or something. In that area where you log in with your the same email that you log in with your YouTube account, and then I click on help on the right side button, upper right side button. There is a help button there, and then I was led to the YouTube creator support site, and then from there they have a chat support. So I clicked on the chat support, and then it wasn't easy, guys, because you need to wait because there are a lot of people actually who are experiencing a lot of problems on YouTube. So you are in queue and you need to wait for your turn. And then I waited for my turn, and then but luckily on me, I did not waited that long. Like after a minute, somebody answered my chat, my message. So he then asked me what's the problem and blah blah blah, and then I told him that my YouTube, I feel like my YouTube channel was being hacked, and then he asked me the URL and to provide some details on my YouTube channel, blah blah blah. And so then, and after that, he asked me a few questions, and then he asked for my email so that we could, because it's easier to communicate through email compared to just through chat. So he asked for my email, and then he asked me to send some information about my channel. So yeah, and then after that, I thought that because I googled other users who are experiencing the same problem like mine, what's that, it took them like 2 weeks to 3 weeks for them to get access back to their YouTube channel. But so I was expecting that, but in my case it did not happen. So after a week of waiting answer from the YouTube creator support, I feel so down and a little sad because oh my god, it's been a week and I cannot post any video. I was so excited to post a makeup video because it's been a long time since I did a makeup video, and doing makeup on myself, and to my surprise I cannot post that, so I need to wait, and that's after a week. And then the YouTube creator support then emailed me that he needs more information and details about my channel and other things. So I then provided them all the details and information that they needed, and then I was hoping that he will be back at me like after the next day or the second day, but it did not happen. I think I waited another week again for him to reply, just something like this, it's on a process. He already forwarded it to their internal team or something, and it's already been 2 weeks and nothing. I cannot access my channel, guys. So oh my god, that was such a long 2 weeks of my life on my YouTube career. My career pang nalalaman. So yun, what else? And then, but thankfully I was so thankful with the YouTube creator support that excuse me, that assisted me, because every time he emailed me, he tries to comfort that my channel will be back. Let's just wait for the internal team to investigate, because they need to investigate what happened to your channel. And then after that week, I guess after the first week, I just wanted to share this, that all my all my replies on the comment sections were deleted. Yeah, and then I think my profile picture was changed, yeah, after the second day. And then there are not major changes actually. They did not deleted any videos from my channel, thankfully. Only the replies that I gave to the people who commented on my video, and that was a little sad because some of those replies are very informative for those who are asking some questions on my review videos, and I feel a little sad as well with that part, but there's really nothing I can do. So I was updating him that these changes that is happening on my my channel. And yeah, and then after the second week, I waited, like after the third week, nothing's very clear still. It's still very blurry if I could get access again. on my channel. So yeah, until what's the code for how many emails back and forth each time, and yeah. But this, I tell you guys, if ever that your channel will get hacked, just be patient enough to wait for it to be resolved, because it's not easy. It's not gonna be fast, because right now there are a lot of YouTube users actually. And I also found out that day, I think that it was so weird, because I got an email from my Filmora, that there was a hacking going on. That was September 25, but I just did not I just read this, I don't know, because I wasn't expecting that my channel will get hacked. So after that, oh my god, I believe on that day there was a massive YouTube channel hacking happening. So maybe that's the reason why YouTube was taking so long for all the users to get to to have their channel back. So that is what is happening to me, guys. So I waited and waited, and then I even got to a point where I feel like, oh my god, I think I will not be able to get back my channel because it's been a month. Yeah, it's been a month. So a month is already very long for you to wait. And yeah, I feel like, oh my god, I think I will not be able. And I feel so oh my god, I said to myself, all the videos, all the efforts that I did was just went to nothing, because this hacker, one day, I don't know if it is a she or he, one day he or she just decided to hack my YouTube channel. And considering that my channel is not that big, I don't know, maybe they are practicing how to hack a channel or something. I really don't have any idea. So yeah, and so unlucky of me that I am one of them that has been chosen to get hacked. So yeah, I waited for a month, and then after a month, another week has passed, and then I tried to email again, YouTube creator support, back and forth. And oh, I just wanted to mention this. So before that, the last step that the YouTube creator asked me to do is to do a brand account where they could be able to transfer my channel back to me. So when I heard that, when I got that email, I was so relieved and happy, because that's the email that I have been waiting for so long. It's almost a month already. So on November 23rd, I got that email. Not that email, on November, like a week before 23rd, I got that email. And then all of a sudden, before the YouTube creator started to email me that my channel was already transferred, I already learned that I have access back again on my YouTube channel. So I was so happy. Oh my god, I could you just don't have any idea how happy I am, and I am so excited to upload videos again. So yeah, it really took almost a month for me to have access back again on my YouTube channel, but I'm so happy still, even though it took that long, because I regained access back on my YouTube channel. That's what I always, that's the only thing that I just wanted. So that's how I got my channel back, guys. And yeah, if you have experiencing the same problem like me, and if you have learned already that your YouTube channel is hacked or was hacked, make sure that you contact YouTube creator support right away, because they are the only person really, guys, that could help you in gaining access back on your channel. I tried googling on how I will get my access back, but no, there's no solution. on that. So the best solution is really, again, to contact YouTube creator support team. And then also I wanted to say a huge thank you to the YouTube creator support, Marcos, for assisting me on this problem, or assisting me through this process. I tell you guys, if you are in his shoes, you will be, I don't know, but because every time I email him or I send email, it gets annoying. So because I don't know, maybe it's just because of my frustration, because I was getting so frustrated already, especially when it's already like more than a month of waiting and still no definite answer to your problem. So yeah, I was so annoying. I'm so sorry for that, but I really wanted to say a huge thank you for Marcos for being so patient with me and not get annoyed as well. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so annoying. I admit that. So yeah, I think that's it. And what else do I need to say? Right now I'm really very, very happy. Yeah, I'm just happy, and yeah, and so excited to post new videos on this channel. So I think that's it for today's video, friends, and I hope you have learned from this topic. And if you have any question regarding this topic, make sure that you leave it in the comment section down below. I will be answering those if I could answer those. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!